The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know what I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skiller. And right about now, I have two things I have to show you, my viewers and subscribers, where I would not recommend anyone to do these things. You see me? These things is things that I consider that no one should be doing because it can be very dangerous and it puts people's life at risk. You see me? Now, one of the videos shows of something that happened at a gas station and the other is about stunt riding. You see me? Now, the first one I'm going to show you viewers and subscribers is about the gas station, right? And this one is going to show of someone spraying something from out of the gas pump itself. In my point of view, I would say that it is the gas. And he's spraying it on the ground while sweeping it, right? Why? I don't know. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, take a look at this video, alright? And viewers' discretion is advised because this is something dangerous. So take a look and observe. So me I talk about viewers and subscribers. So me really and truly have to be thinking in myself and I say, what could have caused for this person to be using the gas from out of the gas pump to spray it on the ground, right? And then sweep it. Me start wonder if it's water I come out of the gas pump. You see me? Because me just can't come to the belief that, you know, the person is using gas to spray on the ground and then sweep it. You see me? Just one spark in viewers and subscribers. Just one spark can cause a big problem right there, so you know. You see me? Just one spark. Just a vehicle that pass where have some form of problem where something good like a gas fire or something. Just one spark. That is gas we're talking about, which is highly flammable. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, do not try this at home, right? And I do not recommend anyone to try anything like that. Do not play with gas. Gas is not a joking thing. You see? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to talk about stunt riding right about now, you know, and quick and fast, I'm going to say something and explain something, and then I'm going to leave the video with you. You know, my viewers and subscribers. And first of all, I want to say big up all stunt riders, you know. I respect stunt riders and I'm not trying to disrespect someone's art or craft of what them do. Yes, so I said to you, even though I am not the kind of person to encourage person to do stunt riding because it is very dangerous. So therefore, me not going to encourage a person to do something like that. So if they're going to do it for their sports or their profession, I understand that is your belief, so big up and respect to you. However, doing these stunt riding things without a helmet and in public spaces, that's a no-no to me. You see me? And I do not recommend anyone to do something like that. Again, I'm going to say big up all stunt rider, but there is a time and a place for everything, and I do not think that persons should be stunt riding in public spaces. It can be very dangerous and it can put people's lives at risk. Alright? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to show you the video right about now, and you can also tell me what you think. You can tell me if I'm wrong or I'm right. You know what I mean? And you don't know me Dancehall Skiller, they have to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I go on. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skiller. Uno big up on yourself. Now here's the video. Take a look and observe.
Talk that shit, Molly. Talk that shit. Woo! Talk that shit, Molly. We fucking working, yo. Go to the right, yo. To the right. To the right. Uh-oh, what he gonna do? Oh, he going straight in between us. Oh, he got it. Oh my God. Niggas don't want no smoke. Woo! Let's fucking go, Molly! Let's fucking go, Molly!